have recently moved and I have so many things to decorate still. And I guess today is the day, night, that we're going to decorate them. I need to have a lamp in my bedroom. And of course, the first DIY is going to be a lamp. I've been seeing those, what I call cloud lamps that I love. They're so cute. They're very simple, but they look like a little cloud when they light up, and that's what we're going to try and create. The first step would be to pick out a lamp of your choice. This is the one that I chose. It is from Walmart and it was 11 bucks. And as you can see, the base on the lamp is golden, which I think matches well with the whole cloud kind of aesthetic theme. After you get your lamp picked out, go ahead and grab yourself some feathers. These are what we actually going to glue on the lamp, creating this whole cloud shape. And probably don't wear black while you do it, because you're going to have feathers everywhere. As you have probably already guessed, the first thing we're going to do is to put the lamp together. And I don't think sauce will be much of a help in here, so I am going to put the lamp together. I'm done with the base. Now we're gonna put the feathers on them and then I'm gonna attach those. I'm going to start with the big one and I'm going to avoid the area around here, which is where it gets put onto the lamp. Right here is where I will start gluing it. Well, when we put this on, it will either look like a chicken or like a cloud lamp. I have feathers absolutely everywhere. I think I'm turning into chicken myself. All right. These are the two pieces I have, so let's go put them in the lamp and see what they look like. And I'm definitely going to need a step stool for this one. I think it's more like a cloud and less like a chicken. Please really make sure none of the feathers actually get where you're screwing the light bulb in. I actually really like it. I'm going to do a couple of touches to it though. This little thing right here, I do not like quite the way it looks right now. I think it sticks out too much. So we're gonna paint it white in order for it to match all together. And then the second thing is I'm going to attach a little string in here, so you can't really turn the light on with it because it's one like that in there too that just turns to turn the light on. But it's just gonna be a little decorative string that's gonna hang from here, that's gonna give it more of a lamp kind of look. Just the nail polish should be fine for this. As for the string, I'm going to create one just using some different beads. I'm just gonna see what I have, put them on the string, see how it looks, and go from there. And the lamp is done. DIY, get your needles out. We're going to be sewing. I have this pillow right here that is pretty blank. It doesn't have anything on it. I got this pillow at Five Below for $5 and we're going to decorate it today. First, make sure you don't have any actual holes in the pillow. That's not gonna look great with our final product. So let's go ahead and patch them up. I'm going to use these colorful threads to decorate it. And the second thing are those little pom-poms. Hey! This is the first color that I picked. It's like orangish red. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go around the edge of the pillow and I'm going to move all the fluff onto the other side for now. I will start in the corner, go a little bit to the right of it, pull it through when my thread is in the middle. And that will create this kind of stitch right here, which will be the edge of the pillow. Now I will pick a different color for this side, which I want to be green. yellow and purple for the other two sides. And I'm finally done with the whole pillow. We have green, we have orange, we have... that's yellow. And purple. Pom-poms would be super cute on here. What I'm gonna do is I'm going to attach them to each corner and we'll go from there. I now have a pom-pom on each corner. Now I will attach all the little ones and the pillow is done. The third DIY for today is going to be this bathroom thing. I need something to put all of my bath salts and creams and things like that. I'm going to spray paint it pink so that it matches the rest of my decor in the bathroom, and then we're going to decorate it. Primer first, and this is the paint, which is in pink candy gloss finish. And this is what it looks like after painting it. I have these ice cream soda things and I've been using one of them already. Some sugar pops, bath pieces. I'm so excited to try those. They look just like little lollipops. Some body creams and masks. And this is kind of a fun one. So it's in a cup that says "You look fabulous," and they are my bath crayons. So you can actually draw with them on your bath. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did like some of them and you wanted to try them, please make sure to tag me on Twitter or Instagram so that I see what you've done. And we are heading to sleep. It is almost 1 a.m. We're both super tired. She already tried to sleep while I was trying to record. We're gonna head to bed and we will see you in the next video. Bye!